Okay, we're going to start with questions that look a bit like this. We've got a block here, let's say it's a block of wood, that's been chopped into 2 parts. And the full length of the wood is 20 centimetres. And we're told that this section is n and this section is 12. And we have to work out how long this section is. How much is n worth? So you can think about this without using algebra. And you could say, well, I know that this was 20, this is 20 and this is 12. What do I have to add to 12 to get 20? The answer is going to be 8. But we could also solve it algebraically. We could say 12 plus whatever this is, so plus n, is equal to 20, because these two are the same size as that one altogether. So we've got 12 plus n equals 20. Now these look like the equations that you were doing last week and solving, and we can solve this. We can say, let's take away 12 from each side, and we get n equals 8 centimetres. Okay, we've got a similar one underneath. So again, we've got a long piece of wood that's 12 centimetres altogether. And this time it's been cut up into 4 pieces. And each piece is p centimetres long. Now, one thing you've got to be really careful of is if you have a letter that is used more than once, it has got to be worth the same every single time. So this p is the same size as this p, is the same size as this p, is the same size as this p. We couldn't say that that's 1, that's 1, that's 1, but this p is going to be worth 9. That doesn't make any sense. So if each section is worth p, that's telling us that each section is the same. So again, if we weren't thinking algebraically and we were thinking logically, we could say, well, it's 12 centimetres long. It's been split up into 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces, all the same size. If we split 12 into 4, we get 3. So each section must be 3 centimetres long. And we can get the same answer by using algebraic methods as well. So all 4 pieces added together must equal 12. Now, we know we can simplify this. Rather than having p plus p plus p plus p, which is long to write, we could simply just write that as 4p. So we have 4p equals 12. And to solve that, divide by 4, you get p equals 3. And that's the same answer we got using non-algebraic methods. Well, I've got one more challenge question here. So again, similar thing. We've got a block of wood split up at 32 centimetres long. Split up, we've got one block of size A, one block of size 4, and one block of size 3A. So using the same principle, we can say A plus 4 plus 3A is all equal to 32, because those 3 bits added together make this big, long bit. Then we can say, well, we can simplify this, collecting like terms. We've got A and we've got 3A. So A plus 3A is going to be 4A plus 4 equals 32. Now, solving the equation, first we take away 4. We get 4A equals 28. And then to get A by itself, divide by 4, A equals 7.